Under phase 1, which is community mobilization phase, this is a phase where we conduct vision, commitment, and action village workshops. The whole purpose under the VCA workshop is to instill the 5 principles of ending hunger and poverty in the community. And these 5 principles are change of mindset, good leadership, vision, commitment, and action. After these VCA workshops, we select animators. For example, food security animators, water sanitation animators, microfinance animators, HIV animators, health animators, women empowerment animators. These animators, they are trained in their roles so that they should know what they are supposed to do. In phase 2, this is the phase where we do construction. Normally, we construct infrastructures which are missing in that community. For example, if the community is missing a health facility, that's what we can construct. If the community is missing a rural bank, we do construct. If the community is missing a hall where they can meet, we do construct a hall. If the community is missing a library where pupils or students can go and read, we do construct. If the community is missing a nursery school or an adult learning center, we do construct. The community mobilize all the materials which are needed, especially those which are available in the community. For example, all the bricks are molded, mobilized by the community. Sand is mobilized by the community. The Hunger Project just brings in contractors who help the community construct the infrastructures. The contractors, of course, they bring things like cement, skilled labor, maybe iron sheets, and other materials which are not available in the community. While we are doing the construction, there are some training which also take place. Because not all animators are trained in phase 1. Again, in phase 2, that's where you see drilling boreholes, underwater, and sanitation. In the same phase 2, that's why you find maybe the village savings loans groups are being formed and they start operational. In the same phase 2, where the construction is taking place, that's why you find the literacy animators. These are the instructors. They are being trained so that literacy classes can start. And normally this phase takes about 2 years. In phase 3, this is where implementation of all programs, they are at the peak. And again, this is the phase where issue of M&E is taking place. We have M&E animators. At the same time, there's mid-term review survey to check whether the targets are being met. So this is the phase which a lot of activity happens, and normally this takes about 3 years. In phase 4, which is self-reliance phase, this is the phase where our aim is to transform the epicenter into an institution. We select or establish an executive committee to manage the self-reliance phase. This committee, normally we choose cream, those who are capable people from various animator committees. Again, this is the phase where we identify board of trustees. This is the time where the board of trustees is trained on their roles. This is the time where we facilitate the area to have a constitution which will guide an institution to be formed. So by the end of the phase, we want as much as possible to have a registered community development organization which will take over what Hunger Project was doing during the time Hunger Project was in that area.